Leslie fam, welcome back to my channel. I am vlogging today, so I am headed to Trader Joe's, so I figured what better time to vlog, pick up the camera, and take you guys with me. Look at, I'm breaking out, you guys. So I'm breaking out because the last 3 days I have been a little bit under the weather, meaning when I'm sick, when I don't feel good, you guys, my skin regimen goes out the window. So I'm like, either I'm so miserable, I just want to hurry up. I take my shower and I get in the bed. I don't even worry about, did I wash my face the right way? I wash my face, but I don't like do the full, like I'm just too fatigued to do it. But besides that, yes, shop so curly, you guys. I've been under the weather for the last couple days. I actually stayed home yesterday and my baby was sick too. Well, my 6-year-old, she was sick. So, and I might still sound a little weird to you guys, but I feel much better today. Yesterday, I literally laid in bed all freaking day. So I'm headed to the store. I was going to go work out because I hadn't worked out since I started my new job. But since I started my new job, I haven't been to work out. Mainly because, I gotta get adjusted to my new schedule. My schedule is it's lit actually. I love my new schedule, but adjusting to me getting off at a later time is what I've been trying to do. So yeah, I haven't been to work out. Let's go to Trader Joe's. Okay guys, so my kids are gonna be home soon, so I'm trying to rush through here. I got a case of strawberries. These actually look really good. I tried to get them from a couple places recently and they just were not looking good. I also stopped by Costco. I got some salmon, that's where we like to get it. I got some cheese for sandwiches. I got these chicken soup dumplings to try and these veggie burgers for me to try while I'm on my lunch break and stuff. I got some turkey bacon, my kids' favorite orange chicken. They might want that tonight. I got them that, as well as this vegetable fried rice. If you know, you know. This is like super, super yummy. My dog's got in my trash, y'all. So also I got some salad. This is the Southwest chopped salad. I got some broccolini to go with my salmon or my chicken, whatever I decide to have. I got some almond milk. This is my favorite almond milk ever. Besides the Calico one from Kroger, I got some baby spring mix to eat with my salad. I have to keep my salad out of the drawer, otherwise I'll forget about it and it'll go bad. I got some mini sweet peppers. I really like these. I plan on chopping these up and putting them in my cucumber salad. These I don't put in the fridge. So I got some jalapenos. So I'm gonna do like a basically like a salsa guacamole. I'm sorry, salsa jalapeno. Y'all, I'm tripping. I'm going to do cucumbers, jalapenos, these peppers, avocados, tomatoes, and lime juice. And y'all, I tell you, it's the best snack ever. I got some English muffins to eat in the morning. Here's those tomatoes that I was telling y'all about. I got some lemons. I'm going to throw those in there. Oh, and I got these. Oh, I got a cucumber. I'm still stuffy, y'all. Forgive me for my sniffling. I got some avocados. I got these honey pearl grapes. I can't wait to try these. They're sweeter and they say these are good with like wine and cheese. So yeah, I'm excited to try those. I might stop at the liquor store and get some. I got a red onion. And I got these baby yellow potatoes because I was going to get a steak, but I forgot. So I got that. I got some of these organic blue corn tortilla chips to eat with my little tomato cucumber salsa. I got my kids some organic strawberry lemonade. They're going to be so happy about that. I got my favorite little drinks here from Trader Joe's. It's just the apple cider vinegar, lemon and strawberry drinks. I like those a lot when I want like a carbonated fix. I got this olive oil with garlic. I love this stuff. I got my guilty pleasure. These right here, y'all. They're so bomb. Chocolate covered pretzels. I gotta hide those. Let me stick them back in the bag. And then I got some basmati rice. So that's everything that I got from Trader Joe's. If you give me a second, I'll show you what I got from Costco. My other freezer is kind of full, so I got these ice cream bars from Costco. And then I picked up this. Oh, I didn't even know he had got all this. Okay, showed y'all how much I look in here. I got these wings that we really, really like. You just pop these in the oven or the air fryer, and so good. And then I haven't even brought everything in. I got this pack of toothpaste because we could always use toothpaste. I got this turkey breast that we really, really love. Some granola bars. My favorite Fairlife protein shakes. I got a new flavor, salted caramel. It's actually really, really good. And then I got these for my kids. So
hey guys, so I know every time I get on camera I'm like either in the car or like at home or whatever, but I am currently headed to a birthday dinner. It's my girl's birthday. Her birthday was actually Wednesday, but we're celebrating it tonight. So first of all, I did not know that it was this hard to drive in heels. They're about to come off because it's a little hard for me. I don't do it often. Normally when I go out, I'm with my husband and he's driving, so I don't have to worry about all that. But yeah, so her dinner is at 7. It's 6:15. You know, I just decided to get on the road a little early. I'm kind of sad because one of my girlfriends that was supposed to be there, she said that she cannot make it. It turns out. So yeah, but I will try and vlog a little bit. I'm not sure if I will get much footage because I'm not sure if her friends are like camera shy or whatever. I've never met majority of them, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, I'll try to vlog. I got on a black jumpsuit and I have on some black and silver shoes. I'll show you guys once I stop. And my bag is from my sister. It's just a gray and silver like bag. I figured it went well together. So yes, I'm gonna drive there. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, y'all. And let's go eat.